Hello mate, so just a video update on the car. So we're literally about to start the undersealer process on the car itself. You can see this front panel has been fully blasted inside and freshly stone chipped as well, so that's protected now. We're also here basically doing the masking up on the car before we actually apply the undersealer, but you can see everything's ready to start blocking down. All the panels have been filled, primer, and they're just got to be blocked down now, ready for paint. We've got the front wings ready, masked up, ready to go for the new undersealer. We've got all the undersealer here, so this is all the materials we brought today. Obviously all the undersealer will be used. We've got Tony and Lewis here with us as well, giving us a hand, because it does take a long while to mask the cars up, as well as apply the undersealer and mix it as well. So we're 3 people strong today. This is the shell underneath prior to undersealer. So you can see we've got all the new seam sealer everywhere underneath the car. That's directly on top of epoxy primer, so the waterproof primer. Every joint that we've either welded on the car or original spot weld flange has been resealed with seam sealer. Tony's now masking up certain areas that parts bolt to. So once that last few areas are masked up just underneath the car there, we can actually go ahead and start to apply the undersealer properly from front to back. So we obviously arrived here at opening time, which is 7 in the morning, 7 AM, to be able to get this car masked up and also undersealer applied, so that the painter has a working time 6 hours to go ahead and apply all the paint to the underside, well, the undersealer itself. So the undersealer that we use is the 3M 2-part mixable bag stuff. That's the model number 08800. It is expensive, but you know, don't go very far, and it does take 42 bags or 44 bags to do a complete car. We brought a few extra bags today, so obviously we got 44 bags from what you supplied us, but we brought a few extra bags today just to cover some extra areas which we don't normally cover, and that is because we've got a joint on the inner tub here that needs to be covered all the way around. Now I want to cover this all the way around, inside the car, inside the boot, and just so you can see up in there, that joint is where we've used second-hand rear quarter panels with the inner tubs attached, and we've overlapped and spot welded and seam welded in the wheel arch. So basically Nikos was very lucky to find second-hand rear quarter panels which were like in a brand new condition. So we've gone ahead and welded them onto the car, lined everything up, and now it's just a case of sealing it all up. But yeah, we want to make sure it's sealed inside and out. So this lip here is going to be sealed under here, obviously. We want to seal it inside the car as well to stop it from corroding anymore. Alright, so yeah, this is the work area today. I just sort of do a video of Nikos's car, before primer, before undersealer, before paint. So once I've applied the undersealer on the entire car, we'll do another walk around video, and this is the last time you'll see the underside of Nikos's car like this. So yeah, very nice, brand new shell, no rust, 0 rust on this shell now, seam sealed properly, and now about to be undersealed properly. I'll post the video of the following undersealer application once it's applied and give you an update.